How to secure sliding doors from burglars. Sliding doors provide a gorgeous view while giving you the option of being able to open them up for fresh air and ventilation. A sliding door offers homeowners the ultimate convenience for accessing their backyard. Or, you may have one installed on your commercial building to allow people to open up the space to accommodate larger crowds or improve ventilation. Restaurants often have sliding doors that provide patio access for diners. These doors are also becoming more common in commercial offices where people prefer to open them up for fresh air. With larger doors, security is often a serious concern. Burglars tend to prefer large entries and exits that provide enough room to carry out big-ticket items. Securing a sliding door is not only possible, but the right methods are very effective for keeping your property safe. Know the common security issues with sliding doors. When they are used properly, sliding doors are quite secure. Many people leave the door unlocked out of a desire to go in and out more easily. Even when the door is locked, the mechanism might be too simple to deter a burglar. Take a look at your building's sliding door to see if any of these issues apply. Training your family members or employees to lock the door every time they close it can help. You might also want to add lights or cameras to the area around the door to increase visibility. Start with quality glass. In some areas, a burglar might have no problem with breaking through a door. A sliding door should be made from glass that is harder for someone to smash open. Impact-resistant doors are designed to resist breaking under forceful blows. These types of doors can also withstand being hit by objects in high winds, which can further increase security. Many burglaries occur after a separate event that damages a door and encourages looting. Install glass break sensors. Many home alarm systems include sensors that let you know if someone breaks a lock. You can also make sure to install a sensor that sounds an alarm if someone breaks the door glass. Use a blocking bar. One of the easiest ways to secure a door is to use a blocking bar. Many sliding doors come with a bar installed that stops the slidable part from moving. You can also install a bar in the tracks to generate the safe effect. Switch to a stronger lock. Sliding doors often come with a stock latch lock that might not last long. Latch locks don't always work if the frame or track gets warped. If the door doesn't close all the way, then it is also possible for a burglar to manipulate the lock from outside. You can find locks for sliding doors that are more secure. Those that require keys or a code to be entered on a keypad tend to be more secure than the typical latches that only operate from inside of the building. Improving the security of a sliding door begins with the initial installation process. Making sure that the door is made from break-resistant glass and sits on a sturdy frame stops many burglaries from the very beginning. Once the glass is installed, add a quality lock. Then, perform regular checks. If the door doesn't sit flush in the frame or has trouble sliding, then arrange for a repair. Burglars tend to take the path of least resistance. Finding a locked sliding door can make them change their minds. Raben Glass has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed.